Parang nakaintindi si Copper. Look at the Copper, oh. He is hugging me. Parang nakaintindi siya na magmo-move forward sila doon sa Hong Kong side. Mamimiss niya ako. Tingnan mo guys, oh. Love ako Copper na yan. Love. Love a baby. Love a baby na yan, oh. So sad. Wala, para talaga nakaintindi siya, oh. Parang hininga niya, oh. You miss me, Copper? You miss me? You miss me, baby? You are moving in Hong Kong side. Tomorrow. We're gonna miss you. I visit you there. Okay? I will visit you there. Don't cry. Okay? Don't cry, baby. Ah? Love. Love ang Copper. Love ang Copper na yan. Love ang Copper.